Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful DIY flute with paper for Krishna Janmashtami. To make the flute, take a newspaper, roll it and stick it in the end to get a paper flute. For decorating the flute, I'm using lace, motifs and a tassel. You can also use peacock feathers for decorating. I bought the motifs from a store nearby. You can also make them at home using kundans, beads, mirrors, etc. You should stitch the tassel at the back of the motif like this. So let's start decorating. First, take the paper flute, apply some glue here, then stick the lace. You should roll it till the end. Krishna Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrating the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is considered as the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. On this day, Krishna in his infant form is worshipped. The devotees also observe a fast on this day before performing a puja. Lord Krishna's birthday is celebrated 8 days after Raksha Bandhan, a festival celebrating the bond between sisters and brothers. It falls in the Hindu month of Shravana between August and September. The verses in Bhagavad Gita says that whenever there will be a predominance of evil, Lord Vishnu will reincarnate to kill the evil and save the good. The main significance of Janmashtami is to encourage goodwill and to discourage bad will. This was a little about Krishna Janmashtami. Now let's go to the next step. After you finish rolling it till the end, cut it and stick it here. This. Now we should stick this here. Like this. There we go. We have finished making the flute. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? I wish you all a happy Krishna Janmashtami. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.